Hello and welcome to Artist Paint Brush Basin and Portable Paint Brush Caddy. This portable paint caddy has a handle for carrying. You can carry it to class, you can carry it to work, or you can work outside. It's very lightweight. It's gray, durable plastic, and the length is 10.5 inches in length and 6.5 inches in width. It has a removable lid which doubles as storage for art brushes, and around the perimeter of the lid there are 8 little palette areas for you to put your paint colors around the edges, and in the middle here you can mix your colors. So this works as a artist palette as well. This storage lid comes off where you store your brushes, and if you're not using this as a paint palette, you can put this back on here and it snaps down. And inside the caddy there are 2 separate water troughs. On this side you have some ridges. Here you will clean your brush. You will go back and forth and clean the brush out, clean the bristles very well. Then over on this side you can put some rinse water so you can rinse the brush, and you can also put some water on this side to where you will just leave the brush resting while you are painting. What's great about this is the bristles will rest in the water, the grooves hold the ferrule, and the handle above water. So water will not drain up into the wooden handle and crack your handle and destroy the brush. It also has 17 graduated holes of different size to hold different size brushes, so you can store your brushes while you are painting. You just put this down in here and it holds the brush different sizes as you are painting. And then on this side it has 8 grooves or clips where you can clip your brushes on the side as well. Okay, let me demonstrate here. You take the trough and you're going to fill this up with water. And you put some water on this side and on this side. There's water on this side of the trough, some rinsing water, and some resting water on this side of the trough. I'm going to take my brush here and I'm going to put some paint on it and demonstrate how you clean the brush and rinse it and rest it. So we've got some orange paint on the bristles. I'm going to come down in here and it's going to take it and go across the ridges. You can see the water's getting dirty. It's going to go back and forth. Then I'm going to rinse the brush on this side, and then I'm going to take the bristles and rest the ferrule in that little groove in the resting water. And now the brush is resting in the water while I continue painting. Okay, let's recap. Again, this is a portable artist paint brush caddy which holds brushes and water while you are painting. It has a removable lid that doubles as storage for your brushes, and this lid can act as a artist palette for your colors and for mixing here. It also has 17 graduated holes of different size to hold different size brushes, so you can store your brushes while you are painting. You just put this down in here, and it holds the brush, different sizes, as you are painting. And then on this side, it has 8 grooves or clips where you can clip your brushes on the side as well. And inside the caddy you have 2 separate troughs. One trough for your dirty water where you will be cleaning the bristles of the brush. Then you can have some rinse water here where you'll rinse the water, and then some resting water here where you will rest the bristles in the water while you are painting. And when you are finished painting, you can take your dirty brushes and put them in the storage container, close the lid, put the lid back down on the top, and you can carry it and rinse it out with soap and water. I do hope you enjoyed my Artist Paintbrush Basin and Portable Paint Brush Caddy video. Check out all my other videos on my channel and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching.